guys, it's Stacia Samaya, not Stacia Samaya, and we're back with another video. I know it's been some weeks. I'm not even gonna lie. I actually been overwhelmed like shit because some of y'all don't know, some of y'all do know. I have a cosmetic business and I'm doing my first holiday themed like collection. So I was just busy. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I was busy. I balanced this, work, and my business, so that's a lot of things that I try to juggle. So I had to take a step back from YouTube to really focus on my business because that's the source of income that I want to be my main source of income that I want to live off of, because I want to quit my job. And right now YouTube isn't paying me, so I had to prioritize. But I'm back. I have so many video ideas. It's crazy. Y'all gonna get a hair review for this hair that I have in now, but for y'all ask, I'll link it in the description. I don't know all the lengths. I might like show the lengths on the screen or something or whatever. But yeah, like, I got a lot of video ideas coming, but I wanted to do this video because I feel as though it's quick and easy, and I need to like do my brows anyway because they're growing back a lot. But somebody asked me, how do I do my thin brows? And I was like, that could be a video idea, sis. That could be a video idea. If you know me, or if you've been paying attention to my YouTube, you know that I don't really care about my eyebrows. I'll jump on YouTube with my eyebrows like this. I really don't care. But this method of achieving thin brows is very temporary, and it's not as like risky as waxing your brows, because you know when you wax hair, it grows back thinner and thinner and stuff. So the way I achieve these brows is very temporary. So if I do want to have my naturally thick brows again, they will grow back without a problem. That's why I do not wax my brows. I use Veet or Nair, but I've been using Veet for a while now, so I stopped using Nair. But that way, like, it comes back within like a week. If one day you like, damn, I want my natural eyebrows to grow back, or you don't want to experience what people normally experience when they wax, and you know when you wax it takes longer to grow back because you're literally ripping the hair follicle out the root or whatever, and sometimes it grows back thinner or whatever. If you don't want to experience that because you don't know how long you want to remain in this type of aesthetic or whatever, or have this type of style, I recommend using Veet. That's what I'm gonna be using today. You can use Nair, I guess. I don't know. I don't really like use Nair that much. I use Veet. It's the Veet Gel Cream Legs and Body. Please ignore how bad my nails look. I gotta get them done on Monday. But this says that it's for it's a sensitive skin formula. But like I said, this is legs and body. So if you got really sensitive skin, I don't recommend you doing this. I don't really have super sensitive skin, so I'm able to put this on my face. I get rid of my mustache that way as well, like unibrow, all that. But if you know that your skin, like you have really sensitive, acne prone, like breakout prone skin, I really don't recommend this method at all. I say just like use a razor, sis. Or if you want to have that, like if you want to commit and you want to wax, then do that, but I wouldn't recommend. But yeah, this is the Veet Gel Cream for legs and body. So basically what I do with this, I take this is gonna be so easy. Y'all gonna be like, damn, like this, I don't even know why I asked her. This was so easy. But all I do is get like probably like 2 or 3 Q-tips. Super simple. And I put some on the Q-tip, like, and I brush my I already brushed my eyebrows like upward or whatever, because you don't want to have like messy eyebrows and you just slapping it on there and you're kind of messing up how it's like the neatness of how it's supposed to come out. So all I did was squirt a little amount. Child, sorry if my hands dry. I've been washing my hands all day, but all I do is squirt a little amount from the bottle onto the Q-tip. And I just put it where you see like the hair growing back, or if you're starting this from like scratch, like just go by how thin you want your eyebrows to look. So I'm gonna just apply that to like the hair that's growing back. And I don't know, like I've been loving thin brows lately. Like I feel like it's such a look. I don't know why it's focused on my mirror, but y'all can still see what I'm doing. I'm gonna squirt some more because I want it to be really like layered, so I don't have to keep on going back because it's still hairs there. So if you have like a high arch eyebrow, like, and your eyebrows are naturally like really long and they match the shape, I envy you, because I always feel the need, like, well, have to, not even feel the need to like cut off like my eyebrow tail, because it don't like match like how high I want it to go. Like, all I'm doing is squirting more on there just to apply like a thicker coat. So after I use like one end of the Q-tip, I kind of like never use it again, and then I switch Q-tips and get a whole different one. If you hear any noise in the background, it's my cousin because she's in the bathroom. My room is directly next to the bathroom. Alright, we're just about to do the same thing on the other side. I know I'm going like pale to like brown and stuff. I don't know what's going on my camera, but we just gonna ignore that. After that's on, I'm just gonna leave it there for probably like 10 minutes maximum. And yeah, so that's about it. I'm gonna show y'all the finished results. After you leave it on for 10 minutes, you're able to just wipe it off with a rag. Make sure the rag is actually wet, like when you wipe it off or whatever, and get everything off of your face, because you don't want to leave any like residue and then you burn yourself because it's just sitting on your skin. But yeah, then I'm gonna come back to the finished result of me removing hair off my face. Okay, so this is the finished product of my brows. They are naked. So all I'm gonna do is fill them in, because I'm not going nowhere for real. I'm only going to my boyfriend's house. Where my eyebrow scissors were, I would have like flipped the hair upwards and like cut it so it wouldn't be long, but I don't even feel like looking for those, to be honest. So if you have eyebrow scissors on hand, I recommend doing that. But I'm not gonna go in with concealer, like do a full like eyebrow beat and stuff, because like I said, I'm only going to my boyfriend's house, so he don't need he's already been used to me at my ugly, so he don't really need to see me at my finest, because we ain't even doing nothing anyway. I found it easier to do thin brows with a pencil versus like using like a pomade and a brush, but I ran out of my pencil. I'm about to order like 5 of them or whatever. I get like the pencil that I use is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and it's like a spoolie on this end, and then on that it's like the product. But I've completely ran out, and I'm kind of pissed off because my eyebrows haven't been coming out as great because I don't use a pencil. So I'm trying to like make them work with the pomade. The pomade that I use is the NYX Tame and Frame brow pomade. Like, I like it when I'm doing thick brows, but like I said, like I like precision when I'm doing thin brows, so it doesn't come out to my liking, to be honest. It always makes my eyebrows appear like thicker, and it's been pissing me off, so all I do is try to fill it in. Like, I 10 out of 10 recommend, like I'll link it below as well, but I really recommend getting that that e.l.f. brow pencil like to do this, because it's been so difficult trying to do your brows with like pomade. Like, I can't do thin brows with pomade. It's just trash. So if my brows come out trash, this is mostly a tutorial to show how to get like the thin brows. It's not showing you how I normally like, you know, fill them in and stuff. It just shows how like I thin out my brow hair. But yeah, this is the finished product of how I get my brows thin like this with using V. Like I said, I do recommend this brow pencil because it makes life way easier versus a pomade when you have thin brows. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share if you want to. It's all up to you. And yeah, I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.